Hey everybody, today on Henry's How To's, I'm going to show you how to make hearty lamb shanks. Let's get straight into it. Alright guys, so we're going to start off in a frying pan on a medium heat. We'll add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. And to our pan, we're going to add our shanks in. Now I'm going to do my recipe based on 4 shanks, but I'm just going to brown them 2 at a time. Don't overflow your pan. And all we're doing to our shanks is browning them on all sides. So at this point I'm going to add in the third one, since these ones are almost done. So guys, once it's browned all over, we'll take it out and transfer it into a small pot. Alright guys, so I've placed my brown shanks just into a small pot, as you can see. So we're going to set that aside for now. And we'll bring across 1 brown onion. And all we want to do with the onion is just coarsely chop it like so, and add this straight to our pot. Next we'll bring across 2 carrots. As you can see, I've already peeled them. And all we want to do with our carrots is slice them and add them to our pot too. Now don't go too thin, I'm just going to go a little bit thicker. Just like so, so it's around 1 centimeter thick. And we'll add those straight to our pot as well. Next I'm going to add in 1 cup of red wine. I'm just using a shiraz as I find that goes best with shanks. Next I'll add 1 can of diced tomatoes, that's just a 400 gram can. Next we'll add 1 heaped tablespoon of tomato paste. Next I'm going to add in a 1/4 cup of pearl barley. You don't have to add this, it is optional. And we'll season with 1/2 tablespoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, and we'll add in about 4 to 5 bay leaves. And all we need to do now is top this up with water. So you want to top it not to the top, but almost to the top like so. So in my case it was about 4 cups, but it will depend on what sort of pot you're using as well, so keep that in mind. So let's move back to our stove. Okay, so just put it on a high heat now, and we just want to wait for it to reach the boil. Alright guys, so once you get a nice gentle boil going like that, all we're going to do is quickly stir this, make sure everything's well combined. Just like so. Okay, and that's looking good. So, lid on. We want to cook this on the lowest heat possible for about 2.5 hours. Now, alternatively, you can put this into the oven at a low temperature for about 2.5 hours as well. So that's just up to you, but it's just easier in the pot, I find. Alright guys, so I'm at the 2.5 hour mark now. And just look at that. So the meat's starting to fall off the bone, which is exactly what we want. So I think it's time to serve. Alright guys, so in my case I'm going to do it on a bed of potato mash. Let's place the shank on. And all I'm going to do next is just ladle on some of our sauce. And just look at that. I hope you like that guys. Please like, share and subscribe. You can follow me on Facebook, Snapchat and Instagram. If you've got any comments or suggestions, just leave them at the bottom and I'll see you all next time.